Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Workflowy and Logseq. Workflowy and Logseq are both note-taking and organization tools, but they differ in style and flexibility. Workflowy is a simple and powerful tool for organizing ideas, tasks, and projects. It uses an endless bullet point system which make it easy to create outlines and break down complex thoughts into smaller pieces. The clean design keeps distractions away, so you can focus only on your notes and lists. It syncs across devices, meaning you can access your work anywhere. Workflowy also allows tagging and search, which helps in quickly finding information. While it doesn't have as many advanced features as some other apps, its simplicity makes it fast and easy to use. Logseq is an open-source note-taking and knowledge management tool that helps you smartly organize ideas. It uses a graph-based system, so you can link notes together and see how your thoughts connect. The app works offline first, which means your data stays private on your device unless you choose to sync it. It also supports daily notes, tasks, and backlinks, making it useful for journaling, research, or project planning. Since it's customizable with plugins and themes, power users can shape it to fit their workflow. However, beginners might find it a bit complex at first compared to simpler apps. Overall, Workflow is better for simple, fast outlining, while Logseq is better for deep, connected knowledge management and privacy controls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.